Well, I'm back with part 3 of this short video series talking about making a side bender. In video 1 we made the bending form and the waist caul using the templates from Guitar Templates. And then in video 2 I showed you how to use just those things, the bending form, the caul, and this little base that we made to bend sides without any other equipment except a couple of tie-down straps. But I promised in this one to take it a step further and make a wind-down waist press so that you can wind the waist down and clamp it in place with that. So I've done that, made a few modifications. It's all pretty simple stuff, but let me give you a quick tour up close. Okay, so here's the side bender. We've added this structure here to allow us to have a wind-down waist press. It consists of these two vertical uprights, one on either side. Everything here is made out of some regular 15mm thick plywood, nothing special. These are about 50mm wide, and I have routed a 1/2 inch wide slot up the middle on both sides so that this tab, which is now on this block attached to the waist press or the waist caul, doesn't spin around and just rides up and down nice and straight. So in here there's a flange nut that it's attached to this threaded rod. It's glued on, but it means that it can sit in underneath here, and when the rod is turned, it raises and lowers the waist caul. Up on top is a very sophisticated wooden knob. Again, nothing special there. I've just used these threaded rods with flange nuts, one here, and one down inside there. On the back side, this vertical is attached with a couple of screws down here. It's going to be pretty much a permanent installation there, and there's some screws at the top to mount this top block, which is just 2 bits of 15mm ply glued together. And then on the other side, the front side, the side that we load from, I've used 2 furniture bolts. These are M6 with a 4mm Allen key drive, because we're going to want to remove this in order to change the bending form out for a different one. It's going to make it much easier to get the sides out once the sides have been bent, if we can get this vertical out of the way. I've got a little storage spot here for my clever little 4mm IKEA Allen key. The other modification I've made is that I've cut a slot in my base here so that I can run 2 separate straps through, which makes it a lot easier when you're bending the upper and lower bouts and getting these straps tied up, rather than in the previous version I just had one strap running right the way round. That works, but it's just a little bit clumsy. Right, so let me show you how to bend sides with this. Okay, so there it is, the side bender with the wind down waist clamp. Worked a treat. I guess it is preferable, gives you a lot more control, but and if you're going to bend sides for multiple guitars, it's worth the time and effort to build it. But if you're just doing one, you don't really need it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back with more from Guitar Templates soon.